Hello everyone, I'm Dr. George Harper, a dentist here in Rio Rancho, New Mexico. And one of the number one questions that I receive every day is about whitening or tooth whitening. What system and what works the best? And many of the people ask me, do the over-the-counters work? And the answer is yes, they do. What we find is there's some limitation to it. The active ingredient is called carbon peroxide, which is a peroxide type material, which is a basic acid. And some of the difficulties is if you want to whiten your teeth a lot or you want to get to a certain level, there's some limitations because the concentrations over the counter can't be as high. But as far as to maintain your teeth, as well as if you just want to get them one or two levels up, I think they're a wonderful service that patients can have. When patients want to get their teeth a little whiter, we recommend what we call the home whitening system. It's just basically where we get impressions of your teeth, and we actually make these little clear plastic trays, and we insert the chemicals through here, which you would wear this tray roughly anywhere from 7 to 10 days, depending on the level that you want. And as you can see by our video here, you can actually go from this color to a much lighter color, significant. Some patients that may want to get even whiter than that may have to look at solutions such as veneers or something like that. There's also one-third that we see really big on the market today. A lot of doctors are advertising. You hear the word Zoom or in-office one-step whitening. And I think that they do work. I think they can shorten the level. So some patients say, I don't want to wear this 14 days. I think the in-office can really help. What I do find that a lot of patients will go in and it's a 1-hour service. They get whitened, but they actually drop back in color. And we personally been disappointed with some of the results that we got. So if we do the 1 hour, you can act and follow up with the trays. It tends to work really, really well. And somebody that has some advanced staining, or what we call intrinsic, meaning the stain is within the tooth, there's a new product called core whitening, which can actually do a whitening chair side followed by the trays, and it actually has another system. From a cost standpoint, it's the most expensive. Many of these in-office whitening can be $500 and above. But if you have some severe staining and want to avoid veneers, it's a much less costly way to do that. So those are the three ways. If you have minimal whitening desires, I think the home whitening does really well. 99% of the patients can work really well and wear these trays anywhere from 7 to 10 days. And some patients that have really advanced want to consider the Zoom whitening, or what I consider the best on the market is the core whitening system, with it has the 1 hour whitening in the office followed by the trays. And I want to thank you for all attending my video. Again, I'm Dr. George Harper here in Rio Rancho, helping you keep your smile for a lifetime. Thank you.